Good evening, everyone. Today, I just want to show you one very small application, but it solve a lot of issues. Like here, we already mentioned small ideas can mean big wins. Means the idea is very small, but whenever we are talking about the geodatabase modeling or whenever we are talking about enterprise geodatabase, so in that part, if the people are already involved in the geodatabase modeling, they already knows about the pain of creating a geodatabase. If in your geodatabase there are number of feature classes, like if you have 100 feature classes, so we can understand 100 feature classes, and if each and every feature class around 20 fields are there, so it's around 2000 fields. Apart from the fields, we have the domains, we have the subtype, we have the relationship. There are many things are there. So one of my student or one of my friend, actually he developed this small application. This small application, they given the name geodatabase management, and they use the Arc object to develop this application. And this application I like very much because as I know the pain of creating a geodatabase manually. So first of all, what is the about the project? The project is basically what this application designed to create a schema with the dataset, feature classes, and related fields. Apart from that, this application can create the subtypes, domains, subtype and domain combinations, relationship classes, everything. Means whatever the things we want to create in the geodatabase, this application can do everything. So this is basically the important thing for this particular application. And after that, about the technology, what the technology that my friend is used to develop this application. Like as I already told you, they developed this application using the Arc object, means they use the C#, .NET, ArcGIS, and Arc object to develop this application. After that, the main objective of this application is basically we just want to reduce the manpower, reduce the manual effort to create the geodatabase. Because as we know, to creation of the geodatabase, if I have 20 or 30 data sets, in within the 20-30 data sets, if I have 100 of feature classes, so this is very painful to create a feature classes manually. And and as I know, in ArcGIS, we don't have any ready-made tool where we can use to create a geodatabase directly using the Excel sheet. So in this project, basically, this is the flow, how they develop this application, that the user will create the Excel sheet with the predefined template. After that, they fill this Excel sheet. Once they fill the Excel sheet, this application will take this Excel sheet as an input, and on a single click, within a minute, it will create the geodatabase. So this is the application interface. Even you can see the application interface also very nice. So in this application, I will show you the demo also. So this application, they have these options. The first option where you can create the geodatabase using the predefined template. After that, the second option where you can download the Excel template. Then after application, about the application, and after that about the profile who basically that involved in this development. Now after that, I will show you the application, how this application looks. So basically, to display the application, I just want to go to the desktop. Here I already have this application. This is the application. Here you can see these are the four options we have. The first one is the geodatabase creator. This is the main application. After that, the second option. From here, you can download the template. And after that, this is the about the application, what the application will do. And then after, this is the fourth option about the myself. So here, if I will use this first option, geodatabase creator, Here user can select based on their requirement, either they want to create a file view database or personal view database. Just click on the file view database. And then after, even before going to this, I just want to show you the Excel sheet as well. So this is the template Excel sheet. This Excel sheet basically contains all the objects, all the feature classes, tables, and all the data set what we want to create. So now here, if I will go to this particular interface, so here you can select the file viewer database, and after that select the template. Once you select the template, after that select the folder where you want to create the geodatabase. So for example, if I will select the location like project, MTech, and here I will give the name test 123. Then if I will click process, so you can see just when you given the name test, and after that just once you click on the process, now the GDB creation is start. And in this particular Excel sheet, we have around 150 feature classes and around 15 to 20 data sets. And to create the complete geodatabase, it is taking hardly 1 minute. It is taking hardly 1 minute. This is the small idea, but this application is very, very useful. Okay, thank you guys.